Hello everybody, welcome back to Cloud Wars Minute, our daily news and commentary show. If you give us 3 minutes, we'll give you some unique insights into the greatest growth market the world's ever known. One of the examples of that big growth market is Microsoft, and I want to share 10 killer numbers from their Fiscal Q4 earnings release. First of all, you probably know this, but just to get this in scale, for Q4, their cloud business was up 36% to $19.5 billion for fiscal year 21 ended June 30th, up 34% to $69 billion. Microsoft's security business is at $10 billion right now, and that's up 40%. Power Platform up 83% in revenue. The remaining performance obligation is at $141 billion. 45% of that will be recognized as revenue in the next 12 months, which means that 55% will be recognized after the coming 12 months, which shows the impact of the longer term contracts. And this figure here of 141 billion for the RPO is up 32% over last year. Stunning numbers. GitHub. Currently, Microsoft said 36 of the Fortune 50 are using GitHub. So if you think it's this wonky thing for independent developers, absolutely not. It's great for them, but also big corporations are using it as well. And LinkedIn is now at a $10 billion revenue rate, not revenue rate, $10 billion for the last trailing 12 months, the fiscal year. And in the 5 years that Microsoft has owned LinkedIn, its revenue has tripled. So, numbers tell a big part of the story, but, there's more to what's going on at Microsoft. I think the language they use, the completeness of it, the innovations they've been willing to drive in not just their technology, but their go-to-market strategies, what they're doing with partners, the way that they were the first company that I'm aware of that really talked about customers as full partners for these long, 4, 5, 7, 10-year transformation deals they've been doing. And also, I just think the way that Satya Nadella looks at the world, the things he talks about, the way he articulates the unique value that Microsoft has, right? Leading always with how does the customer see the problem? How does the customer look at the issue? How are customers seeing this? And it's one of the ways that has led Nadella and Microsoft to really look at things like combining Teams, Dynamics 365, then Power Platform comes in, then Azure fits in. Then some of the things they're doing with mixed reality. So they're layering a lot of the things they have to, in some ways, simulate, almost like in that term of, the digital twin of what customers are going through. So phenomenal quarter from Microsoft. Really hats off to them. That's why they're number one in the Cloud Wars top 10. Thanks for being with us here at Cloud Wars Minute, our daily news and commentary show. Hope you have a terrific day.